Hi Kevin, it's Damon here. I just wanted to make a quick video. I think I rooted out the issue we were having yesterday. Still going through some testing, but found two transistors that are kind of they're the 2SC1344. They're common problem transistors. So I replaced those with some modern KSC 1845 FTAs, which is by Fairchild. Anyways, it's a well-known solid replacement. So still gotta go through and test it for any other bugs, but so far we're back to where we should have been when you came here as far as working. So let me get it going. So it's all right. Let's test it a little bit longer, and I'll give you an update here shortly.